Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making oha soup and I would like you to join me in making this soup. So I learned how to prepare this soup from my aunt. Oha soup is really a delicious soup that my family loves and I enjoy each time I prepare it. So I'll be using these ingredients: cow head, uziza leaves, stockfish, smoked ice fish, oha leaves, palm oil, crayfish, seasoning cubes, periwinkle, you can skip that, offor as a thickener, salt, ogiri and pepper. So after steaming the cow head, I'll be topping the stock with more water, and then the next thing is to add in the offor, then add the washed stockfish and the palm oil, and I'll allow this to cook for a while. So while the soup is cooking, I'll be adding the ingredients one after the other. So like I said earlier on, I learned how to prepare this soup from my aunt, and she taught me that while preparing the leaf for oha soup, you have to use your fingers to cut the leaves, just the way I'm doing it here. And I really don't know why it's so. Please send a comment at the comment section if you know why you use fingers to cut oha leaves, or if you have another method that is different from this, you can still share it so I'll learn from you. So as you can see, this soup has been cooking for a while, and I'll go ahead and add in the fish and the periwinkles, and I'll allow this to cook for like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'll be adding in the crayfish, and the oha leaves will be the last thing I'll be adding, and then I'll allow to simmer for 5 more minutes, and then it's ready. Oha soup is really a sumptuous soup and it's really delicious. I'd like you to try this at home, and then I promise you're going to love this. Hope you enjoyed my video today, and thank you for joining me again today. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.